In today's video, I'm gonna take you on a tour of my apartment in crazy, windy Split, Croatia. What is going on, YouTube? Greetings from the beach in beautiful Split, Croatia. But like I said in the intro, this is an apartment tour, so let's head on over to my apartment. Okay, so this is the back of my apartment building. It faces the ocean. This is a little Tommy. It's the main supermarket here. That's kind of a small Tommy. It's about the size of a 7-Eleven, I guess. The cost of the apartment is included in my remote year fee, but you can get a place like this and a building like this time of year. I'm here in November for probably around $400 or $500 a month. So I'm actually about 10 minutes out of the old city of Split, Croatia, and it's off season right now, so there's nobody really here, and many of the shops and stores are closed. So this might not be the best time to come here if you're planning on like really experiencing Croatia and having a good time. So on a lot of buildings in Croatia, you'll see these signs. This is a government rating system for rooms that people rent out. So the government comes in and inspects the rooms and then awards a certain star level. So it's actually a pretty good system to let you know what kind of place you're getting into. So I'm actually on the 3rd floor. There is an elevator in the building right here, but I never take it. I just walk up the stairs. So mine has this little remote year sign on it. They actually name each apartment after an island here near Split. Have these weird skeleton keys to get in the door. All right, so this is a 1-bedroom unit. We'll come back to this living area here in a moment. We'll start off with the little hallway that leads to the bathroom and the little bedroom. So it's just a standard bathroom. There's actually a washer in here, which is great. You have to dry your clothes outside. That's pretty common in this part of Europe. Has a toilet, a sink, and an enclosed shower, so just your basic bathroom. And then next we have the little bedroom. It's pretty tiny, but it works for me. It just has a twin to queen size bed here and then a little nightstand. And then over here is a little closet, and it's perfect size for me. I'm a carry-on only traveler, so I don't have much. So this apartment is kind of grandma looking, but in a cute European grandma kind of way. It doesn't bother me. I actually really enjoy it. So most apartments in Croatia devote a lot of their space to places they can entertain. And this apartment is no different. So I had that small little bedroom, but I have this huge living area. The kitchen and the living room are basically in the same room, so you can cook and entertain in here. I don't do much cooking if you've watched any of my videos, so this kitchen kind of goes to waste on me, but that's okay. It's a lot of natural light in here. And you have this big dining room / living room area. I have this futon type of couch. And then, like I said, a lot of grandma furnishings, but a cool grandma. She has a cassette deck. I don't know who brings cassettes with them anymore, but you know, maybe somebody does. And I have this awesome view. I'm not sure if you can see it, but an awesome view of the beach out my side window. So yeah, it's a pretty cute little apartment. Just 1 bedroom here in Split, Croatia. If you enjoyed this apartment tour, please hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, I do travel videos every week to hopefully inspire people to get out and travel more. So if that kind of content interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put out videos. Thanks for watching.
Love